Hey guys, and welcome back to this month's free assets. Again, this month of August we've got 5 free amazing assets, starting off with the advanced female customization, moving on to the Luos 8 elements, then the in-game level editor, Modular Sci Fi Office, and the root motion guide as well. All of these 5 stars and look absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be going over these 5 different assets for this video as I normally do, giving my opinion on them, where you can download them, links in the description and all that good stuff. And again, let me know in the comments down below which one your favourite one is. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And we're going to start off with the advanced female customization. And so this is the ultimate character customization tool, which allows you to generate over 10,000 different female characters, clothe them up and text their clothes all inside Unreal, and load them to your project as well. It allows you to modify the characters' faces and add makeup or dirt. You can save your presets and load it in-game or in the editor, add your characters to your project using a single migrate node, adjust your character height, weight and most of her body, dress up your character from a library of 30 plus clothing meshes. It's got built-in texturing tools which allows you to texture all of your different clothes, and there are 6 different hair meshes with up to 12 unique hairstyles. It is rigged, and it is rigged to the epic skeleton, and it does also include IK bones. It is also animated, and the meshes are ready to retarget to any animation. There's an unlimited amount of characters which you can create, with 2 production models, 38 different materials and material instances. The text resolutions are 4K for the body, 2K for the head, and 1K for the other parts, and it's supported on Windows, macOS, and Linux. And they do also have their own documentation as well, which you can go read up about this amazing product. But as the title suggests, this is only for females, there is no male characters in this pack. Next up, we've got the Luos 8 elements. And this is a combination of 4 elements and 4 more elements, so there's 2 different packages in this, with additional improvements and optimizations in here as well. So this includes 8 different elements centered around offensive, defensive, and impact-based effects. They'll look amazing in your RPG, MOBA, or any other fantasy and adventure game. All effects come with optimized textures, materials, meshes, and 3 LODs. It includes 32 different emitters, 42 materials and 43 instances, 52 static meshes ranging between 4 and 2060 polygons, 67 different textures, 11 material functions, 3 vector fields, and also a showcase content including blueprints, levels, blob characters, wizard hat, and more. And the showcase content is what you can see in the video now. And again, all systems come with 3 different LODs for reducing spawn rate and detail on distance, so again, really help optimize the game. And all materials share a material parameter collection to easily globally tweak the content. And this pack is mainly just a VFX only package, so this is simply just for the visual effects for all of these different attacks and defenses which you see on screen now. And next up we've got the in-game level editor. And now this one's really cool because as you can see, it allows you to kind of build your own terrain in-game, and it includes terrain, foliage, different building types, for example walls and doors and all that good stuff, as well as some nice little features for the buttons and pressure plates which you can see as well. So it includes modular terrain and geometry, lighting, foliage with density, auto rotation to floor, random Z rotation and random size with min and max, activity and a save and load system. And I think most of the lighting is already built into Unreal by default, but they've just kind of created a simpler interface to allow you to use it in-game to change all of the different settings which you see there. So there's one large BP library with 16 blueprints, 16 widget blueprints, and 18 different structures, data tables, and enums. It's not replicated, and it's supported on Windows 64-bit. They've only tested it on Windows 64-bit, but they imagine it'll probably work on other platforms as well. There's no reason why it shouldn't. So again, I think this one is a really cool feature, because it allows the player to just really create their own world within the game, and it's all set up for you already. You just need to implement it in, which they do have different videos showing how to do that. Now we've got the Modular Sci Fi Office. And this office includes a modular environment architecture, which is easy to assemble in new levels, rich tiled material library with lots of customization possibilities, and advanced master materials which supports lots of textures like triplanar mapping, parallax occlusion mapping, multiple normal maps, and much more. Quick lighting customization by changing box and sphere reflection captures offset values. Grab a component, so if you press G on any object with physics enabled to get it, and use a mouse to move around or rotate it. An interaction component, so you can use a pre-built interfaces and blueprints to build doors, switches, lockers, and other objects to interact with. And lots of other useful blueprints, like smart switches, doors, desk lamps, and fans, smart glass, etc. So there's quite a lot of stuff built into this, not only for actually building actual buildings like a sci-fi office, but also different blueprints to populate this building as well. And the texture sizes range from 256 by 256 to 4096 to 4096, And there's 19 different blueprints, 200 meshes, 254 textures, and 346 different materials. And they do also have a video available to watch and go over it all as well. Again, this one is really cool for creating your own nice sci-fi office in your game. So maybe your theme is sci-fi, or it's an office, or it's futuristic or anything. This will work great for that. And again, because it's modular, everybody can have the same pack, but everybody can have such a different looking office. And finally, last but not least, is the root motion guide. And this helps you to use root motion animations in your games and provides various tools for using mixed mode animations as well. So on screen now is their video where they're showing this kind of climbing system. They haven't said that this is how you do it, but they have linked other tutorial videos on how you'd use it to set it up with root motion, character blueprints, and use this kind of freehang climbing stuff as well. But there are no animations included in this, it's just a plugin. You do have to get the animations elsewhere, and they recommend using Mixmo because I'm pretty sure they built this plugin to really suit Mixmo as well. And it's all built in C++ as well, so that's how you know it's going to be really efficient. There's no blueprints, but 21 C++ classes, and it is not replicated either as well. So again, you'll want to do a lot more research into this one by watching the tutorials and reading up about it and all that good stuff to really get the most out of this, but it sounds like it will be quite a useful one for people to understand, to really get to using root motion, which is obviously a great little feature. So that's it for this month of August for the monthly free assets in the Unreal Engine marketplace. Let me know in the comments down below which one your favourite one is. I think mine is probably the in-game level editor. Again, let me know what yours is, and let me know what you think about all of these other ones as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you found it helpful of me just going over these different assets which we get for free every month, which again is a great little thing which Epic Games do. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.